Hello friends, today's topic domestic institutional investors and retail investors overtake foreign institutional investors investments in markets. I am Dr. Bharath Chandra. Purpose of the video is financial education of society. Today I am dealing with three topics and this is topic number 1. Year by year, Indian markets are becoming more self-reliant or Atmanirbhar. As of now, DIIs and retail investors' ownership is bigger than FIIs in terms of percentage ownership. Plus, retail investors continue to pump money directly and indirectly into stock markets. This is the reason the Indian markets have been relatively strong in spite of continuous selling by FIIs. Only when DIIs and retail investors start selling for some major reason will markets have a significant fall. Otherwise, it is likely to be quite stable due to the additional liquidity in the markets because of continuous inflows from retail investors. Comparison of FIIs versus DIIs and retail stakes. Financial year 2013-14, FII ownership 22.1, DIIs and retail ownership 18.2. 2014-15, FII ownership 22, DIIs and retail ownership 18.5. 2019-20, FII ownership 20.8, DII and retail ownership is 21.8. 2020-21, FII ownership 21.5, DIIs and retail investors 21.3. 2021 and 22, FIIs ownership 19.2%, DIIs and retail ownership 21.9. 2022-23, FIIs ownership 19.1, DIIs and retail ownership 24.2, and 2023-24, FII ownership 17.9%, DIIs and retail ownership 24.3%. Now coming to topic number 2. With the markets at lifetime high in the last 1 month or so, many promoters have decided to sell some stake in their companies to take advantage of high valuations. Promoters of more than 200 companies have sold stocks worth a total of more than 33,000 crores in the past 2 months. So far in 2024, domestic and foreign promoters have sold shares worth 65,000 crores. In 2020, promoters sold shares worth 78,500 crores, which is their all-time high record. Now, the statistics in front of you. 2020, promoter stake sale 78,500, 2021, 25,400, 2022, 54,500, 2023, 48,000 crores, and 2024 so far 65,000 crores. Recent promoter stake sale. Indus Towers shares sold 15,300, Memphasis 6,680, ZF commercial vehicle 2,194 crores, Land Pharma 1,754 crores, Inox Wind 904 crores, SBFC Finance 731 crores, KFin Technologies 713 crores, Gujarat Floriculture 448 crores. So not only institutional and retail investors but even promoters take advantage of higher market valuations for selling some stake for utilizing the money for the requirement. Now coming to topic number 3. Brokerage company Morgan Stanley is bullish on new age companies like Zomato, Policybazaar, Nykaa, etc. since some of them have become profitable recently. The revenue of such companies are also expected to rise in the coming quarters as they acquire more customers. The following is the target price given by Morgan Stanley. Zomato, current price 200, target price 235, upside potential 18%. Nykaa, current price 177, target price 198, upside potential 12%. Paytm, current price 414, target price 440, upside potential 6%. Delivery, current price 396, target price 530, upside potential 34%. Policybazaar, current price 1,300, target price 1,020 and upside potential minus 22%. Zomato, Nykaa and Policybazaar has shown a net profit for the financial year 2023-24. Paytm and Delivery are still making losses in their business. The profitable companies are hoping to stay profitable, and the companies making losses are hoping to become profitable soon. Here is an important announcement. ಸಾಲ ಮಾಡಿ ಕಾರು ಕೊಳ್ಳುವುದು ಎಷ್ಟು ಸರಿ? YouTube live discussion free for all channel members today 25th June Tuesday at 9:15 p.m. on Dr. Bharath Chandra Institute Kannada channel. Under the video, here is a question. The founder of the software company Mindtree founded another IT company called. There are 4 choices for you for your general knowledge. A. Persistent Systems. B. Coforge. C. Happiest Minds Technologies. And D. Emphasis. If you are not the member of this channel, this is the time to subscribe. Press the bell icon. Send the video to all your friends. The video is good. Press the like button. Thank you for watching. Bye bye. All the best.